Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Driver got hit with instant karma after he drove way over the speed limit and got clocked by police. BMW driver reversed into this driver and tried to blame him for the hit.
What are you doing, dude?
What do you mean? Dude, I have you on camera. You were backing up to me.
Backing up?
Yeah, I have you on camera.
What are you talking about?
Okay, let's call the cops. Why don't you pull... Are you fucking kidding me? Yeah, why don't you pull over? I have you on camera.
Am I backing up, bro?
You were backing up. I have you on camera. Let's go. Come on, let's call the cops.
There's a truck coming, stupid. Yeah, dude! Yes, you're a retard. Now make an illegal U-turn or something. Yeah, okay, cut the Jeep off now. Oh.
Are you? This is a one-way, you moron.
Trades are welcome. Central Maine Power Sports buys late model motorcycles and ATVs.
Oh!
I thought that it was normal to be crazy. I'm sorry for what I did that night. I'm even more sorry it took this long to know that that shit isn't right.
Oh, dare you!
This driver recorded his hit-and-run accident in which he bravely chased fleeing driver and served him with the justice.
Yeah, I just got a hit and run and he's running away from me. I'm over here at I-35 South.
Where did it happen? On the interstate?
Yeah, Interstate I-35 exit
Okay, hold on. Let me try and see.
Southeast 15th Street.
Okay. Are you northbound or southbound?
We just got off of exit.
Okay. Are you northbound or southbound?
Southbound.
Okay. What's the tag number?
I can't see it, man. Yo,
Okay, what kind of vehicle?
Yo, the cops are on the way, man. The cops are on the way. The cops are on the way. The cops are on the way. Yeah, you hit me. So the cops are already on the way.
exchange information?
No, you already ran, so the cops are already on the way.
I'm not running.
What?
Stop right here.
I got a dash cam and the cops are on the way. I'm sorry.
You don't want to just exchange?
No, it's already too late.
No?
No, it's already too late. Yeah.
Can we work something out?
Hey, the cops are already on the way.
We really can't work something out. Like, I got insurance. I got full coverage.
I mean, the thing is, you hit me and you sped off. Like,
I know, but I wasn't trying to speed off. I'm right here with you, right? I stopped. I'm not trying to run off.
Hey,
I'm just trying to exchange information.
The thing is, they're already on the way.
But it's cool.
Hey, I don't know what to say.
You ain't trying to exchange information.
I'm not trying to. No, I'm waiting for the cops.
Why not?
Because
Look, I'm not trying to over. I'm not trying to over anything, but I'm not trying to get over either.
I actually don't want to talk until the cops get here.
Huh?
I don't want to talk no more until the cops get here.
You don't want to?
So I'm just waiting on the cops.
I really don't want to do this right here.
Hey, I don't want to do this either. You're messing my night. I was in the way. I had a plan.
My bad, for real.
I mean, it's all good.
But I got full coverage.
Hey.
Where'd I hit you?
I don't want to you over either, but it already happened. What's up, man?
You like the police?
Wait, bro, like 2 minutes out.
Where she hit you? Where she hit you at?
Right on the right passenger side?
Can I see it?
Yeah, man, go for it.
Hey, just cancel the police car.
I mean, they're already called them, bro.
Driver had blocked view by the bus and he failed to spot a police car with the lights on.
Jesus Christ!
Bad road conditions caused another accident where SUV lost control and hit passing by vehicle.
Yeah, there's another accident up here. I can see flashing lights. Yeah, this guy's gonna hit somebody. No, he missed him. Get that guy though. See? Like you said, going way too fast, huh?
He's too cautious. Oh my God!
Oh, goodness.
Oh my God!
That was not good.
No, he almost got hit.
Yep.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.